Right here so I can show people how crazy people drive, and it's not me. They're blocking this lane here, trying to get over into the other lane, and they're going to cause an accident. Went through a red light too.
So they get to Denny's.
People. It's like they lose all sense of knowing how to drive in the winter time.
Have that copper fit race on, but my ankle's still low.
That vehicle there on the bridge. They're not even in a lane, they were on the berm. People just don't know how to drive in the winter time.
I wonder if they're still working on this up here at that light.
They've been working on it.
You said they were making a turn lane thing?
I think that they were actually trying to make a right-hand turn lane.
Yeah, turning. That's what's a turn lane.
They want a right-hand turn lane, and then I think 2 left turn lanes, which kind of easier. Basically, it's done for now, but it's not totally done. Probably later on in the summer, spring and summer, then they'll work on it some more.
Recuperate. Tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. From recuperate. Recuperate?
I know.
Tuesday. In the morning. At 11. Yeah, the 80 was skin and go line from me. You do yourself.
Yeah.
And the 80 had her driver license in her pocket, and it felt like she didn't even notice. Until the clerk helped with those lanes told her, "You haven't dropped your license on the ground." That's why I don't carry things in my pocket.